In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Dell laptop's CPU usage is rising abnormally and you can't seem to fix it. So the high CPU usage issue usually happens when a third-party app tries to mess with your Dell laptop's power plans. So to fix this, all you have to do is simply right-click on the start icon and then go to Terminal Admin. Now in the terminal admin window, you need to run a couple of commands. I'll also leave them in the description so you can copy them from there. So copy the first command. Now go to the terminal window and then paste it here. Once you have run this command, all you have to do is copy the second command. So copy this command and then paste it here and then hit enter. Once you run these couple of commands, all you have to do is simply restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.